Initially, digital transformation focused on cool IT gadgets like tablets, smart glasses, fitness bands, smart watches, AR, VR, custom-coded apps, and big data analytics, hoping to uncover something. Most were costly and not so useful. The approach has since changed from gadgets to gear, if you will. The new approach to automation is more akin to classic instrumentation and controls. Sensors which are wireless and non-intrusive, automating data collection, analytic software which is using mechanistic AI, embedding known cause and effect and first principles, thus automating data interpretation and prediction. This approach is very successful, making plants safer, more sustainable, reliable, and with greater throughput. This is the recommended approach for all plants to follow.